That's because I've not done my skincare routine, so let's change that. Guys, I'm so tired. Like, it's almost 1 and I've not had anything to eat all day because of the whole deep cleaning I've been doing. And guys, I have an exam tomorrow, like a really serious exam. I'm sure some of you might be wondering why it is today of all day I decided to do this whole cleaning thing when I have an exam tomorrow, and it's in the morning. Like, I have to leave the house as early as 7 o'clock. My exam is for 9, but I have to be there 30 minutes before. So I use the annual toner. This is from Kostia. I don't know how to pronounce their name. It's a physical exam. I have to be there, and I spent plenty of dollars on this exam, so I really cannot afford to fail. I cannot even fail. By the grace of God, I have to pass. I guess the reason why I chose to do all that I did today, I don't want to feel anxious. I've been feeling anxious for the past few days about the exam because it's a serious exam and it's very, very important for my career. And like I said, I spent plenty of dollars on it, not even naira. And I've been studying for the past 1 month, so I just feel like my exam is tomorrow. No amount of rush study I want to do that would, change things. So let me just take a break today, and maybe tomorrow I'll just revise some parts that I feel like I need to revise. But honestly, I feel like I'm good to go to the best of my knowledge. I've been studying for the past 1 month, like I said, over a month. I've done study materials, I've watched a lot of YouTube videos. I'll tell you guys about the exam once I pass, by God's grace. Another thing I've been doing is I've been reading. You guys, I love books. I don't know, for those that know me, I love to read. Francine Rivers is my best author. I've literally read all of her books. My friend introduced me to her in university, and since then I've been hooked to her books. And between last month and this month, I've read 2 books. I'm on my 3rd book, and I feel so proud of myself because since this year started up until last month, like, I've not had time to read, particularly when I was at my 9-to-5 job before now. I barely even have time for myself, not to talk of reading. But despite preparing for my exams, having to create content, having to work and all of that, I've still made out time to read. And my third book, the book I'm reading currently, is Atomic Habits. I've seen a lot of reviews about it, and I decided to, just read it. And if you know me, I'm not really a soft copy book girly. I like to see my book physically, scroll through the pages, open the pages and read. But for this Atomic Habits, I just had to download the PDF because, like I said, I also needed something to allay my fears, allay my anxiety for the exams and all of that. So that was why I also decided to pick up a book to read. So I started reading Atomic Habits yesterday. I had to download the PDF because I've expended my budget for the month, like my spending budget for the month, even on books, on food, on everything. I've expended it, and you guys, it's not even half of the month yet. Oh my god. So I can't buy anything for now. That's why I had to download the PDF, and I'll just make do with that. I was supposed to buy Dream Count this month, but the vendor I wanted to buy from did not have. I bought a Bible. I'm going to show you guys the Bible later. I'm getting it today, this evening. I bought a Bible. I've always wanted that Bible. It's a devotional Bible, and I wanted to get it together with the Dream Count, but the vendor did not have it, so I just had to get the Bible. But I'll get it next month. So that's it. This is what the Bible looks like. These are the devotionals, can you see?